Welcome, dear learners. Today we have a beautiful and heart-touching story for you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss our easy English stories that help you learn, grow, and improve your language skills every day. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy The Hungry Sparrow's Kindness. Let's begin. Have you ever seen someone who is hungry, tired, and alone, yet still chooses kindness? This story will touch your heart and teach you a lesson you will never forget. It was a cold winter morning. The sky was grey, the wind was sharp, and a tiny sparrow sat on a branch, shivering. She had not eaten for 2 days. Her small stomach was empty, and her wings felt weak. The sparrow flew around the fields, the bushes, and the big trees, hoping to find even a single grain of food. But everything was dry. Every place she checked was empty. She whispered to herself, "I just need one grain, just one." After hours of searching, she finally saw something. At the edge of a farmhouse, a torn sack of grain lay on the ground. Some grains were scattered near it. For the little sparrow, it felt like she had found treasure. Her eyes shined. Her heart jumped. She rushed toward the grains. Just when she was about to eat, she noticed something tiny on the ground. A small, injured ant. It was shivering from the cold. It was struggling to move. The sparrow paused. She looked at the grain. She looked at the ant. Her hunger reminded her, "You have not eaten for 2 days." But her heart whispered, "Pain feels the same, whether big or small." The sparrow gently picked up one grain with her beak and placed it near the ant. The ant slowly moved and ate a little bit. The sparrow smiled softly. But she did not stop. She shared another tiny piece and another. Even though she was hungry, she shared half of what she found. After a few moments, more ants came from their anthill. They had seen the sparrow's kindness. They gathered around the injured ant and helped it inside. Before leaving, they turned toward the sparrow. Then something unexpected happened. A group of ants returned carrying a whole pile of grains, much more than the sparrow had shared. They gently placed the grains near her tiny feet. The sparrow gasped. Her eyes filled with tears. "Why? Why did you bring so much?" she asked. The smallest ant stepped forward and said, "Because kindness always returns. Maybe not from the same place, but always at the right time." The sparrow smiled. She ate until her stomach was full. She felt warm. Not because of the food, but because of the kindness she had given and received. She spread her wings. They felt strong again. She flew into the sky with hope, courage, and joy. That day, the hungry sparrow learned something powerful. When you share, even in your hardest moments, the world finds a way to reward you. The moral of this story is, even the smallest act of kindness can return as the biggest blessing. Kindness never goes to waste. I hope you learned something valuable today and enjoyed listening in simple, easy English. If you liked this story, please like the video, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beautiful lessons through stories. Thank you for watching and see you in the next story.